If your ML350 makes a humming or grinding noise that gets louder with speed, don't ignore it. Today I'll show you how to identify a failing wheel bearing in minutes, before it becomes a dangerous and expensive repair. A bad wheel bearing isn't just noise. It can destroy your hub, damage your axle, and even cause your wheel to lock up while driving. Getting ahead of it can save your life and your wallet. Here's what to listen and feel for. Humming or droning sound that increases with speed, grinding, or rumbling from the wheel's vibration, felt in the steering wheel or floor. Noise changes when you turn left or right. Uneven tire wear. ABS light from sensor issues inside the hub. If you're getting 2 or more of these symptoms, your bearing is going bad. Here's the fastest way to find the exact wheel causing the noise. The left/right turn test. You hear the noise louder when turning right? The left bearing is bad. Noise louder when turning left? The right bearing is bad. Speed test. Bad bearings make noise between 40 and 80 kilometers per hour and get louder as speed increases. The free spin test. Jack up the car and spin each wheel. A good bearing spins quietly. A bad one feels rough, gritty, or tight. Rocking test. Grab the tire at 12 and 6 o'clock. Any play or movement means the bearing or hub assembly is failing. These tests take 5 minutes and can save hours of bad diagnosis. The ML350 is heavy, and between bad roads, deep potholes, and water entering the hub, the bearings wear out faster than expected. Highlight common causes. Heavy SUV weight, potholes, off-road driving, old grease breakdown, worn seals, letting in water. Replace your bearing right away if you see any of this. Loud growling noise at low speed, wheel wobbles when jacked, ABS warning on the dashboard. Vehicle pulling to one side, visible metal shavings near hub. This means the bearing is close to failure. Wheel bearings on the ML350 are pressed into the hub. You can do it yourself, but it requires a hydraulic press or a complete hub assembly replacement. Replace entire hub assembly, easy DIY. Press out old bearing and install new one, advanced. If you want minimal stress, replace the whole hub. It's faster and cleaner. Here's what you'll spend. Front hub assembly, medium rear hub assembly, medium labor, medium depending on location, alignment after replacement, low, a small price compared to wheel lockup or axle damage. And that's how you identify a failing wheel bearing before it becomes a disaster. Drop your noise symptoms in the comments, and I'll tell you which bearing is bad. Subscribe for more ML350 diagnostics and DIY repair guides.